I bought above the II here. I contemplated using a wide stop, but it's getting late in the day, and so I prefer to just exit below here and then buy if we get a second reversal up with two contracts instead of one. Right now, I'm just long one contract. If we break down below here and then get a second reversal up, then I'll trade two contracts, or maybe more if the risk is limited and the signal bar is really good. I could have exited below. I could have put my stop below um, the first bar or the second bar of the II, but the stop is just a little bit below that, so I just kept it below the entire signal. And my target is two times my risk if I'm looking for a new high, and I am looking for a new high here because we had a small pullback bull trend for 40 bars, and this is the first pullback below the moving average. So I think usually we do get up to a new high, or at least try to. So I'm going to give it a chance to see if we can get up there. I'd like to see a strong breakback above the moving average. Um, but I think at a minimum we should close the gap with the breakout point here. So I think we should get up to 45.0625. Um, and hopefully if we break strongly back above that, that would increase the chances that we get up to a new high. I have to head out a bit early today, so I think I'm just going to take it off here.
Order filled.
I still think this is strong enough to get up to the high, to a new high of day, but I have to leave in 5 to 10 minutes, and I didn't know if it would get there in 2 bars. I thought we might have to pull back at the sell climax high here first. I didn't have time for that, so decided to take it off a bit early. But I guess I'll check back in later today in the evening to see if we got up to a new high. So finishing down 39. Only $10 left here up to where my target was, so that's not a huge amount of profit. Um, so not leaving much on the table, but I think the biggest mistake today was this trade. I thought that was pretty straightforward, and then this I still have to work on. Everything in here, buying a small pullback bull trend, I think I still struggle with quite a bit because I'm obviously always buying high if I'm buying above bull bars in a small pullback bull trend. But these are things I need to work on in terms of buying in small pullback bull trends and selling in small pullback bull trends at a time when I think we might be starting a trading range. So those are things I definitely have to work on. And it looks like we just reached my target while I'm talking. So had I stayed in, it would have been okay.